All right folks, well I reckon it's time for a bit of a happy hour snack. The guys have been working hard today, so I'm going to put on one of my famous ones. It's a bit of a pork belly bite recipe with a bit of a special apple cider reduction. What I'm going to do is actually put a bit of rice bran oil into this camp oven. All right, so the next step is to get my reduction happening. I'm doing an apple cider reduction. So I've got myself a couple of cans of just regular apple cider. This one is going to take a little while, so you need to budget some time. I reckon about an hour to an hour and a half for this to go down to a syrupy consistency. And at the end, I'm going to take my pork belly bites out of the camp oven and just toss them through here to coat them. So I'm going to get this one cracking now. Beautiful. The other thing I've got is just a little bit of sesame oil. Just a little bit in there, not too much. All right, and that's all you need. This is as basic as it gets, but it does take a little bit of time. So what I'm going to do now is just let this simmer over a medium heat for a little while. I'm going to continually stir it so it doesn't catch on the bottom, and then I can get some pork ready to go in the camp oven. So let's do that now. All right, the next step is to grab my beautiful pork belly. I actually grabbed this from the local butcher in Oberon this morning before heading out into the bush. Always good to support those local businesses in the areas you visit. So I'm just going to chop this up into some bite-sized cubes and get it going there in the camp oven. All right, I've got all my pork belly cut up into nice little bite-sized pieces. Going to give it a little bit of seasoning, then get it into that camp oven. So now what we're going to do is just keep an eye on this, stir it through every now and then so your pork's nice and evenly cooked. Keep stirring away at that reduction, that's really important. You don't want that to catch to the bottom of the pan. So I'm going to do a bit of tidying up and get ready for when it's finally cooked. All right, well I reckon our pork bites are ready, so what we're going to do now is transfer them into our apple cider reduction with a little bit of sesame thrown in there. This is going to be great. Oh, this is looking magnificent. All right, Jess, you want to come try some of this?
I smell food and I hear my name.
Try that.
All right, it's going to be hot.
Made it myself.
I see, I've been watching.
Be better at it.
That's good.
All right, we better get the rest of the gang in before it goes, eh? Make sure you head to Facebook, get my recipe for this. It's as simple as they come. This is an absolute crowd pleaser.